ultimate frozen waffle with ice cream. This dessert combines soft waffle layers with creamy vanilla ice cream in a simple and delicious way. The ice cream is made without a machine and frozen in alternating layers to create an elegant and refreshing treat, perfect for serving at summer gatherings. Cooking time: 60 minutes. Serves: 5. Here are some ingredients for a yummy frozen waffle dessert with ice cream. Ingredients: waffles, milk, whole milk, 500 ml sugar white, 1 tablespoon salted butter, 45 g flour, 500 g baking powder, 1 tablespoon salt, a pinch eggs, 3 separated vanilla ice cream, egg yolks, 7 casting sugar, 160 g vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon whipped cream, 500 ml honey. To taste for serving: whipped cream. To taste for serving. How to make frozen waffle dessert with ice cream. To make the waffles, heat the milk, sugar, and butter in a saucepan over medium heat until the butter is completely melted. Add the milk mixture to the dry ingredients and mix well. Add the egg yolks to the flour and milk mixture. Whisk well until fully incorporated and smooth. Beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form, then gently fold them into the batter to keep it airy. Cook the batter in a waffle iron until cooked through and get golden, then let it cool. Add the ice cream to the delicious waffle.